guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are celebrating, you know why? Because it is my first YouTube anniversary. So grab a glass and let us start because we are hitting off Vlogmas right now. I got my supposed to be here. Yes, I got my official t-shirt and it is the first anniversary of Just Lexi Simple on YouTube. So if you want to find out more about what are some tips that I have for you guys in terms of just staying the path and enjoying yourself on this channel, because you know it's a challenge, then stay tuned. I'm gonna give you a background on what happened. I started my YouTube channel on the 1st of December. I wanted to create new content on a whole new platform, and you know, YouTube never came to play. I've been creating stuff that I really have a passion for and things that I love to do, as well as editing the content. It can be daunting at times, but all in all, it's been growth for me, it's been development for me, and the community that I have been able to grow with has been sticking by me and supporting me through it all, and as such it has been really rewarding. So my first tip for you is to invest in yourself and your channel. There's so much affordable equipment that is readily available to you guys. You know, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg. I started my channel with Vlogmas 2020 when COVID hit and all that, and I was nonetheless motivated and ready to just immerse myself in YouTube. I purchased some software, video editing software, because I found that that would be very beneficial to me and my channel. Your girl was serious. All right, the second tip I have for you guys is to keep your analytics close. Always assess what works for you and what doesn't, because the statistics do not lie. You don't have to go searching around wondering if YouTube is against you. You have it right there outlined in bold for you guys, and you can see which videos have traction and which don't, and you can just improve your videos based on that. So I can say that I wasn't too pressed with subs and subscribers and getting the watch time. Like when I started YouTube, it was just to improve my craft, learn the system, learn the platform, and just grow as a person that is not about public speaking. So this truly helps me, because when I tell you I had to spend hours on end editing, but now I'm at this place where I can actually just talk to you guys when I'm talking to a camera, but you know what I mean, right? I had set goals for myself back in the day, and they weren't really so serious in terms of like I have to get 1,000 subscribers by year end, I have to do watch hours, I have to get monetized. That wasn't it for me. So that's what helped me to just hone my skills and improve my craft. So tip 3 I have for you is that you might want to have a topic, or to share a topic that you have expertise in, that you can like literally ramble off about without problems, and persons will watch you because of that. You want to actually be searchable. Make sure that you are searchable, because if nobody's looking for your thing, you're not going to get traction on your thing. I did a lot of COVID themed updates. Persons were able to actually keep updated with what was happening in Jamaica, the curfew, the lockdown, everything the Prime Minister said. I was there like white on rice, people, and that earned traction for me, as well as my travel themed. I did a lot of hotel trips based on partnerships with brands, and then you can see that once people search it, then the persons will look at it and they will watch more of your videos and say, hey, yeah, this girl knows what she's talking about. I found that very useful, and I used it to my advantage, where I would actually have a lot of b-roll in my content, have a lot of things to share with you, little tips, little tricks when you go to a hotel and all of that. As well as the COVID thing, I made sure to keep people updated. I edited throughout the night when people are not watching, so I could have it early the next morning, or edit as soon as the press briefing is finished, so that I get it up and ready, so people will search as soon as the press briefing is done. So that was a thing for me that actually helped in making people come to my thing and watch it and share it and stuff, because they wanted information, especially tourists coming to Jamaica wanted information on what best to do in a whole panini. All right, so tip 5 I have for you is that when you're ready to monetize, make sure that you put in the work. Do not annoy people and say, hey, you know, you should subscribe. When you come on your channel, like 2 seconds, you're like, hi, like, share, subscribe. No, don't do it. It will annoy people and people will more likely not subscribe to you. So if you want to ask them for subscription, do it later, or do it in the middle, or do it with a logo emoji or a gif or whatever you want to call it, guys. Do it then. Don't be like, as soon as you come up, you like, comment, subscribe. People are gonna be like, but why? I don't know anything about you, especially new people. I don't know anything about you. All right, so I started the journey seriously looking to monetize probably June 2021, and I was, based on my analytics and based on my trajectory over the months, I could see myself being monetized by the end of September or early October. But what had happened was I saw an opportunity, whereas they had a lot of track and field, and Jamaica was to the world. Created like real-time reactions to the world athletics and, you know, every single thing that Jamaica was in, because I decided to still keep my brand Jamaica still niched to me, because I didn't want to do some outlandish crazy things and then subscribers were like, what is this girl doing? So yeah, I created those videos and I posted as soon as the race finished. I posted, right? And that just blew up my channel, and you know, people were subscribing to me and I was over the moon, because I was just like, monetized, end of August, monetized. So tip 6 I want to share with you guys is, as soon as you get to monetization, the real work starts. So put in the work, guys, put in the work. You don't want to, you know, say, okay, I'm monetized, so I'm going to totally just throw in the towel. That's not how it works. Best believe that's when the real work starts, and you have to draw on everything that you got to ensure that you keep motivated, you keep pushing out content, you keep being consistent, and you keep putting out the quality videos that will make people actually want to subscribe to you and watch throughout and keep coming back. Don't forget that. Put in the work, ensure that your passion is still up there, because the passion is what stays with you. Alright, the passion and the motivation for doing what you do is what stays with you, because sometimes you can put out a video like that and you spend so many hours editing and creating, and then you get like 80 views. Yeah, so it's the passion that makes you want to continue, and it's for you, guys. You have to see the importance, you have to see the quality of what your content is putting out, you have to see the improvements and the progress over time, and do your research to ensure that it adds to what you're doing. All right, so the last tip I have for you guys before I leave is to just have fun with it. Have fun with what you're doing. Ensure that you create a tracking so you know that you made progress over the time, even if it's 2 subscribers, guys. Make sure that you have fun with it and don't give up. It can be challenging, to say the least. Like, I kid you not. Why is that dog barking? I gave up. I'm trying to do this thing and the dog just keep barking. Like, stop it. Let me just talk over this dog because it looks like it's not going to stop barking. But you know, some people love to deactivate their account or flip the table and say, I'm not doing this YouTube channel thing. But stay the course, guys. I know it's cliche, but a lot of people say it, and you know, YouTubers before us knew what they were saying when it comes to that. So just stay the course, have fun with it. And if it doesn't work out for you, it might not work out for you right now, but it will in the future if you keep consistent, because the real people will follow you. Those who are literally so engaged in your content will stick around, will keep coming back, and will support you through the long run. So guys, Be true to yourself and your content and your community. So I want to just say all the best, because I know everybody is on that road. If it's your goal of monetization, if it's your goal of reaching a certain amount of views, if it's your goal of watch time, if it's your goal of reaching a certain revenue generated for the year, it does not matter. We're on the same YouTube umbrella journey. So guys, stay the course, and I hope you have the best time ever, because YouTube is an amazing platform to grow. I have seen where it has been rewarding, and I can only look forward to everything that is coming to me in the future. I look forward to you guys continuing to support me, because I will do the most for you guys. So make sure that you subscribe if you're new. This is where you ask for the subscription. So if you're new, subscribe. Your girl is 1 year old. And if you are one of the OG subscribers, thank you so much for joining again for another video. Remember, Vlogmas is every other day for 12 days until Christmas. I'm so excited, like I said, to be sharing all these Christmas themes and all this consistency with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.